very, very easy compared to Samantha's because I think it's public knowledge what she was battling when she got onto the show. And you know, I would think I have it hard when I just started rehearsing and getting into stuff, and I'm like, yeah, Raj DK are really making me do all this and all. But then I would see the kind of work ethic this girl had and what she was actually battling, that really inspired me. And we became partners almost, you know, in making things happen. But I've actually never been on a shoot or go through something, you know. And you learn so much. You learn so much about human beings in general when you see someone battling something and win. And I think she's inspired me, inspired Raj DK, Sita, everyone, Amazon. I think she's an inspiration that how she has done this show and done an action show. You know? It's commendable. Seriously, Sam, it's commendable.
I should have worn glasses. I'm going to cry now.
But Samantha, you deserve.
Honestly.
You deserve all the accolades, and you know you're an inspiration. So, how was your experience to do
No,
that?
Varun is being too kind. Like he said, it was a partnership. You know, when we would do action, it really felt like a dance. It felt like, you remember, we discussed this, that action felt like a romantic song because there was just so much sync. I've never had that kind of sync because, well, Rajan DK being Rajan DK, love, long shot. They don't say cut and it goes on for how long was that?
I think we have a 11 or 12 minute one take action sequence in the show.
And it's the both of us with the cameraman, and everyone has to be in absolute sync. So I've never felt that kind of chemistry with anyone, and it shows. I believe it shows because that action sequence is truly special. I shouldn't say that myself, but just making it was absolutely beautiful.
You know, while she's speaking, ki aankhein numb hui thi. It just goes to say the amount of effort that she's put in, and each and every individual, it takes an entire village to create what they've created. So a huge round of applause for everybody who's put in that hard work, effort to make Citadel Honey Bunny.
And honestly, this is just a teaser. ये सिर्फ teaser है. Actually, what all is there, Raj and DK are being a little confused. उन लोगों को खोलना नहीं अभी तक. It's something which will blow your minds. The kind of everything. I think the kind of background score we have, the way the show has been set up, the way we've shot it was really a learning experience. For me, I think after Badlapur and October, I was shooting on real locations. Otherwise, it would always be sets and this and that, little more glamorized. But with this, we go every day, one day in Bhandup, one day in Thane, one day. I was like, यार ये Amazon का show है. मेरे को लगा यार थोड़ा set वेट पे लेके जाएंगे. But they were like, नहीं, street पे करना है, भागो इधर जाओ, ये करो. And but fingers crossed. I don't want to speak too much. Just very excited about it.
And it's looking absolutely impactful. You already told us how it was working with her. We want to know from your side, how was it working? Well, you guys are working for the first time together.
For the first time on such a big show, I really wanted. I know Varun is one of the most hardworking people in the industry, and all he thinks about, I believe that from the time he wakes up, he has only one thought, and that is, how do I do this scene better? How do I? He actually does from the time he wakes up. I think he's always focusing on how to do his job better, and also on a side note, he's also one of the nicest human beings. I think that he has a wonderful sense of humor, and he just makes sure that everyone is happy on set. He's always smiling. There's never a rough day. Everyone is just so cool around him. And what he's done in Citadel is a completely new VD. Completely new. His action is.
We saw that completely new VD recently on social media as well, where he's flaunting his abs, and we have to say, we love that avatar of VD, don't we? But you guys have also bowled us over. With that, shall we?
Actually, it's very fascinating when me and Sam met. We are born only a few days apart. Actually.
You're younger?
I became younger. I don't know if I am. You're on?
April 28th, 87.
You're 28th, I'm 24th. So I'm
4 days younger.
4 days younger. but we were always so much in sync. Even it's like how we feel like when we go for an event or how the actual feeling. It's strange. I don't know. It's because if we are both are Taurians or we are born few days apart, but there's a lot of sync. I think over there, and she's very spiritual as well, which always helps.
I'm glad to see the Taurians on the floor, 24, 28, 30th. So it's a
Great.
Taurians,
Great.
it's a full house on stage. So thank you. And now we are waiting to know what the date is. Can't wait. But before that, I would like to once again call back on stage Raj, DK, Sita, and Nikhil, please.
It has to touch 100. Only then we'd be able to disclose the race. So I want all of you to cheer in the house, and also you've got a bands in the hand. They'll keep flickering. They'll get brighter and brighter. So put your hands up as well. Let's make this an atmosphere and a crazy, crazy environment to reveal our date of Citadel Honey Bunny that premieres on Prime Video. And so cheer, come on.